Superlist claims to be the ultimate productivity app for teams, but does it really deliver? If you're on the hunt for a tool that promises efficiency and collaboration, stick around. I'm diving into what makes Superlist stand out and where it might fall short. Superlist positions itself as a productivity app designed specifically for teams, aiming to streamline workflows and enhance collaboration. At its core, it combines task management with a clean, user-friendly interface that feels intuitive right from the start. You can create lists, set deadlines, and assign tasks to team members, which is pretty standard for this kind of tool. What's interesting is the focus on visual organization. Think of it as a combination of traditional to-do lists and Kanban boards. This makes it easy to see project progress at a glance. However, while the basics are solid, some features feel a bit underdeveloped. For instance, while there's a comment section for tasks, it lacks the depth of integrations you might find in more established platforms like Notion or Trello. Overall, Superlist seems aimed at small to medium-sized teams that prioritize simplicity over extensive functionality. But if you're looking for advanced features or integrations, you might find it lacking. So what are the pros and cons of Superlist? On the plus side, its clean design and straightforward functionality make it easy for teams to get started without a steep learning curve. The visual organization is also a strong point, helping teams track progress efficiently. However, it's not without its downsides. Some users might find the lack of advanced integrations limiting, especially if your team relies on specific tools. Additionally, there are reports of occasional bugs, which can be frustrating when you're trying to stay productive. Pricing is another aspect that may raise eyebrows. It's competitive, but if you're a larger team, costs can add up quickly. In short, Superlist may not be suitable for teams needing extensive features or integrations, but smaller teams looking for simplicity might find it a good fit. In conclusion, Superlist is worth considering if you're part of a small to medium-sized team that values simplicity and visual task management. However, those needing robust integrations or advanced features might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it feels like a promising tool, but it's essential to evaluate if it meets your specific needs before diving in.